I have here a baby high chair. You can see it's nice and compact when it's folded down. It's really easy to put it up. On the back, I have the tray. I'll put that on in a minute. On the two sides, there's buttons. Push them, then pull the legs all the way apart till it clicks. And then all you have to do is pull up the seat here till it clicks. And then you can take the tray. There is a button in the front, and then you can just slide in just like that. So to adjust the footrest here, just push the buttons, and you can see it can go all the way down, flat. For bigger kids, you can have it right there or up like that. To adjust the tray, it's really easy. Take it in the front, pull the lever, and then just pull it until it clicks into place to get where you want the tray to be. Then when you want to take it all the way off, you just pull it all the way off. And then you have to push the button as you slide it into place to adjust it to where you want. So to adjust the backrest for bigger kids, there's two levers. Just pull it and it will push it back, just like this. And then right here you can see, you can also adjust the strap really easily. There's 3 different sizes right there. So the fabric's really nice and soft. You can remove the whole cover. There's 2 snaps to keep it in place when it is on. So it's super easy to take it, clean it. Has a nice buckle here to keep your child in there safe so they won't be able to get out. And nice little comfy pads right here as well. Once they grow out of it, you can take them off if you need to. It is also height adjustable. There's 5 different heights. There's 2 buttons on the back side here. Just push them and you can go down to whatever height you need. You can see this is the lowest position, and when you're ready to go back up, just click it, put your foot on the bottom, hold it in place, and you can go all the way back up. To collapse it down, it's just as quick and easy. Push the button in front, pull this off. You can take this and hook it on the back, but I'm going to finish folding it down and then I'll hook it onto the back. There are 2 pieces on the back here. Take it, pull it, it will fold down. Push these 2 buttons on the side, just like this, and then it will close. And then you can take the tray and you can hook it right on these 2 little hooks. And then you can store it in a small location. Once it's folded up, you can see it does not take much space up at all. You can push it up against the wall, put it in a little corner until you need to use it next time. So this high chair is really nice. I put my child in it to show you. It's nice and big. You can fit a child in it for a long time. It's nice and strong and sturdy. It's not going to wiggle a lot, so it's going to stay where it needs to be. And it has a nice top here so you can eat on it, play on it, and it has a really nice appearance. It's nice and clean, and it's going to match most people's home decor with how simple and elegant it is. So this baby high chair is going to be perfect for anyone that has a young child and needs a nice high chair. I love that it collapses and stores really nice and easily. It's going to be super easy to clean, nice and strong, and there's so many fun features on it, and it's easy to use.